Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use TradingView for crypto trading. So a lot of people might have heard of TradingView because it is one of the best and parent platform for providing all the real-time analytics related to crypto, forex, and many other type of trading. So if you want to learn how to use it for crypto specifically, I'm going to be showing you in this video. Before we jump on that, you can get $15 starting bonus on um, your platform of TradingView once you sign in using the link in the description below. So make sure to get that, because if you create a free account using any other medium, you are not going to be getting those $15. So to use it for crypto trading, what you can do is you can see we have all of these information showing up for different kind of assets over here on the right side. Now you can switch to the crypto section over here. You can see we have BTC over here, and we can simply read the graphs. You have all the tools on the left side. You can see we have our trend lines, we have our channels, we have our pitchforks. Similarly, we can see we have all these retracements and fib channels and so on and so forth. So you can use these to draw between your candles and simply read the data however you would like to do. You can see you can draw anything using this and simply read the charts. So that's how you can use it for your crypto trading. You can see on the right we got our crypto, we have our forex. You can simply close these menus if you are only interested in crypto. And yeah, so you can see all of these fields are modular. You can change them and go through the crypto market. So I hope this helps.